Adjectives. What are adjectives? We shall learn now. Adjectives are very special types of words that help us to describe things. So adjectives provide us information about the nouns or pronouns as we know. Like the grey dog barked. So the dog is of which color over here? It is grey in color and the noun over here is dog. So adjectives are providing the information about the noun dog here. Adjectives do not change with nouns being as you can see here now. Like if there is a male or a female, there will not be any change in the adjective. Be it a singular or plural or be it a subject or an object, there is no change in the adjective. Adjectives do not have singular and plural forms, so they will not have any such genders specifically. Adjectives do not have a masculine, feminine or neuter form also, so they will remain same for all the three. That is, the adjectives are always the same, so the S should not be added in the adjective to change its form. For these examples, we can take an example, not difficult books. So difficult is an adjective here, but the books are plural, right? So we should not make it difficult, that will be wrong. Now, adjectives can be at the end of the sentences also. We can have them at any place. If they are describing the subject, then only they can be placed at the end. Like here we have, my doctor is excellent. So excellent is an adjective which is describing the doctor over here. So adjectives can also be placed at the end of the sentence.